Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to enable or disable your smart app controller on Windows 11. So when you go to this location and look for app and browser control, smart app control, and if it is off and you are not able to turn it on like so this video is for you. I will show you how you can enable and disable it. So normally we can't do this with the just toggle it on or off. We have to go through the registry editor. Just you need to open your registry editor as administrator and hit yes option when the prompt opens. And now this is the path H key local machine system current control set control and then CI H key local machine system current control set policy control, and then we need to look for CI and then policy. Here is CI and then policy. Now here is the tweak here. Basically this registry key controls the smart app verified and reputable policy state. If it is 0, it is disabled, but if you make it turn it on, you can just select one here and then click on OK. And now once you turn it on, now again check, you should be able to turn it on. You can see it is automatically on, and the different value is here off is 0, 1 is on, 2 is evaluation mode. Restart is recommended, but if it is reflecting the changes directly, there is no need to restart your Windows. And later on, if you turn it off, you can select as 0, hit OK, again go back, just close the registry. And now you can see it is off now. So this is the video guys to control the smart app control on our Windows 11 without reinstalling Windows or any other steps. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.